Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the Ukulele Fool, and I have got 6 wonderful strumming patterns just for beginners, and not a single one of them is the island strum. So grab your ukulele, let's do this together. The first strum is 2 down strums over 4 beats. So it's going to go down, rest, down, rest. I'm playing on a C chord. You could use it on songs like Leaving on a Jet Plane. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go, standing here outside my door. You could also do, I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river. The beauty of this strum is it gives you a beat in between so you can get your chording hand changed. How about that? Instead of going 1 rest, 3 rest, 1 rest, 3 rest, you could do all down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On this one, I want to make sure that I am using my index finger, stabilizing it with my thumb. Yes, your thumb sounds beautiful, but you'll have so much more versatility in your strum if you learn how to strum at least with 1 finger. You could do 2 fingers at the same time. You could even do 3 at the same time. All those work. Just don't get locked into doing it just with your thumb. So you could put it with songs like this. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, lion sleeps tonight. One fine morning when this life is over, I'll fly away. Here's another strumming option that has a rest in it and 2 beats together. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Down my sword and shield, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. One of the most versatile strums that you could ever learn is a 2-beat strum. Just a down, down, up. Now an up strum, that's why I don't want you to just use your thumb. Yeah, you can do an up strum on your thumb, but it's a little aggressive, maybe is the word for it. You want to start working on limiting your motion on a strum. I always have my forearm placed on the body of my instrument and just keeping it really nice and minimal so that your economy of motion, I keep my strum soft and I keep the amount of motion very small. It's just dialed into just the right amount that I need. That will help keep you from getting your fingers tangled up in your strings. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. One of the beauties of this strum is it allows you to switch chords every 2 beats, like this one. Dream, 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 dream. But you can double it up, and then you have 4 beats, and you can use it like this. May God rest and keep your hearts, may your wishes all come true, may you always do for others, and let others do for you. I love that song. If you're busy writing all this stuff down furiously, if you're a patron, you're going to get the handout that goes with this and also all the tutorials that go with all these songs that I'm doing as well. Thank you so much to my patrons. I could not do this without you. If you'd like access to all my chord charts, as well as 2 Zoom sessions a month, consider investing $3 in your learning and becoming a patron. Thank you to all my patrons. The basic rock strum. I love this strum. It's easy for beginners and it's got a lot of flair. So it's 1, 2, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sunshine, my lovely sunshine, you make me happy when skies are gray. The last strum in this collection is the Bouncy strum, and that's a term that I got from the Morristown Uke Jam. Love to give credit where credit is due. They use this strum in Someone to Lava. So down, down, down. So it gives a 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2 things, 2 things, 2 things, 1, 2 things, 2 things, 2 things. A long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. Well, I hope this gives you some great ideas on what you can do with your strumming hand that isn't the island strum so that you can be successful. I will also be putting a link in here on how to sing and strum at the same time. I know that is a huge hurdle that many folks struggle to get over, but it can be done, and I've got a sequential method for gently getting into that singing and strumming at the same time. You're smart, you can do it. It's just training all your nervous system pathways to do it. Okay, thanks for watching to the very end. I hope you found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up, that really helps my channel. And again, thank you to all my patrons.